Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. You're watching our paper crafting series. We're going to be teaching you 4 different really fun paper crafts in this series, and all the files for this series are available on auntietay.com with my membership. So join us so you can get crafting with us. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make cupcake toppers with your Cricut. Here's what you'll need: paper and the theme you want, cupcakes, a Cricut and a blade, toothpicks, glue and tape, and any Auntie Tay party template from my membership. All right, to make our cupcake toppers, we're gonna go to paper and templates on auntietay.com. There are gonna be a bunch of different party packs and different things that we're coming out with. So this is just the Marvel one as an example. We have a Harry Potter one coming out. We have a JoJo Siwa inspired one coming out. So if you are in the business of making just fun party stuff, the membership is going to be a place that you are going to have so much fun. So we're going to go to the Marvel party pack, and this is an entire bundle. So all you have to do is click this button that says click here to download Marvel Party, and it's going to download into a zipped file. So it will need to be unzipped. You can right click unzip, or I just double click and it opens it. And then we're going to drag and drop our Marvel SVG into Design Space. If you're using Silhouette Studio, this works the same as well. So we're going to go Cricut, upload image, and I am going to drag and drop. For some reason, it's not letting me click upload. So that has been working for me today. Okay, so now we're gonna insert it into our space right here, and if there's any we don't want, we can just right click ungroup and say we just want to use 4 different ones or 6 different ones. We can do that. A good way to know how big each one is just hover over this one. Right now they're set to 2 inches, so let's say I wanted on like 3 inches. I could just drag over all of them and resize them, but I really like to just drag over everything and resize it so that I can make sure that I'm not missing any of them. And they're all different sizes, or different pieces. So if you want, like, this red and this red might not be the same, you can go over to Color Sync and you can see how many colors you're using. So if you want to save some time on cutting, you can make sure that all your reds are the same. So just drag that. Green Lantern that's his name, right? Green Lantern. I called them floating lanterns the other day, by the way. So so that seems like the amount of colors we're gonna need. Black is all black, red's all red. But if you notice that any of the colors are a little off, that's one way to clean up how many mats you're gonna need. This is actually gonna take a lot of mats. But when we click make it, let's say we want to do like 6 of each cupcake, we'll do 6, apply, and then it'll automatically put that many on your mat. So you can see we're going to need to load 12 mats for these cupcake toppers. So if you wanted to just do a couple characters, it might be easier that way, but you do you. If you want to go crazy, do as many characters as you want. And then we're going to go and cut these out and finish making this. Cut out all your pieces and get ready to assemble. If you need help with cutting and scoring, check out the first video in this series called Cutting and Scoring Paper with your Cricut. Lay out all your pieces before you assemble to make sure you have everything you need. Glue the layers of paper together. Attach your finished layers to a toothpick and place the toothpick into the top of the cupcakes. Now you know how to make a cupcake topper and wrapper using your Auntie Tay party pack.